Hello, welcome to another tutorial on the FastSealCreator. Today I'm going to show you how to create a code so that the Office version or another version of the software can create code so that you can provide the code to your customer and provide also the code for manufacturing. So our code system is based on a very similar way as we do the work itself. It's made on the database. I am working on a real database. This is the database of our company, where we also work to several customers. It is in Portuguese, most of the jobs. And on the work database, we have the works that we make and the codes that we can produce. So currently we don't have any open code, but it's quite easy to add. I'm going to add a code. Here I select the customer, for example this one, and I can make a small description. Seals for tractor. Okay, so I have created my code. Currently nothing is on the code, but here I can see that I'm working on the number 8 to 7. That is the code that I'm working on. So if I go to the to any of the seal, let's imagine I want to code this complex seal. It is complex because it has 2 items. I can make the code with the real material that I'm going to machine it. So let's say that it is this. I saved the first item, and if I go to edit, I double click on the part that I want to make. I select the material and I save it. I can manually change the price if I want, but for this example I'm just using the standard price that it was calculated. If I click here, I can see how the price was calculated. It is based on minimum price, machine preparation, time, labor, material used, and tooling cost. Okay, this is the raw material cost for myself, and this is for the customer. So if I go here to the code, I can I can now see that I have 2 items. So these 2 items are ready, and we can see here it is on the code status. So those 2 items are on my database as a code, and if this code is going to be accepted, it can be manufactured by my personnel. So here I can, as an option, send to work. I can transform the code in a work item. I can approve it, I can reject, and I can modify it if I want. So currently this does not appear here because it is still a code, but if I want, I can approve. So it is approved, still not here, but I can send it so that it becomes a pending job. So it passed from the code to be made, and I can see the items are pending. So imagine that if I have more than one machine in my workshop, this item could be made by one machine and this by another machine, or both by the same machine. And when it is going to be made, automatically it moves from pending to done. All those were made. And this is a code, quite easy. Thank you.